In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how you can create the drop-down menu or hamburger menu in Canva websites using the Canva AI. So let's start with the video, guys. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, guys. So here we are. This is my Canva. First, what you need to do. Go to the Canva AI. Okay, this is the Canva. Come to the home page first. Okay, or we need to click that Canva AI, and here we need to click on this code only. Okay, good. And so we need to give the prompt to the Canva AI that we need that drop down menu website. Okay, so I just give the prompt here that I want a header of website with title netcast at left side, and at right side I want a drop down menu with section, pricing, and product. Okay, so you can add more section here. You can also edit later. First we need to just create the design. Okay, and also I want background color for all page red, and don't add any other elements on it, just keep it blank. Okay, now just click on this submit. Now it will be start coding. It will be take few seconds as per your prompt. It's generating code, so it is night. Yeah, it's generating code now. Okay, you have to give the proper prompts. Okay, so it will be generated properly. So let's see what happening. Okay, it's generating the codes. Because, guys, at a normal website design we don't have any option to make the drop down or hamburger menu, so you can use it. Okay, so we have pricing product in this menu. Okay, we can give the prompt. After menu we need one line in yellow color which can separate the rest of page, and at menu I want that hamburger style. Okay, don't just name. Okay, you need to give the prompt again. Okay, it will be start again. It will be make changes. Okay, there is a lots of spelling mistakes, but it will be correct by AI. You don't need to worries about. Okay, it's updating. Okay, so we are using Canva AI because at normal website design in Canva we don't have that drop down menu option, so we can create the one line menu option over there. So here you can create that. You can see that now you have created that drop down menu. Okay, so you need to add the you can give them as many prompts, so you can make your design. Okay, you can also add images and all. Here you can also add your heading 1, heading 2. You can also add content. Okay, so I will show you how you can add it. Okay, okay, here we don't have any attachment option for image, so you can add the title. Now add heading 1. Okay, netcast web tech zone. Heading 2, my lovely followers and audience, and the 2 paragraph. 1, YouTube is master. Second, I love all my followers. Okay, just prompt it. Now it will be prompt. Okay, so it is updating soon. It will be take few seconds as per your prompt. So I want to add a heading and some paragraphs, so it will take some time, I think. Let me check. Okay, it's adding, connecting, contain, whatever, updating text, reading, rendering, adding edit panel values. Okay, it's subtitles, main headings, subheadings. Yeah, it's added now. Okay, so you need to make the prompt. If you want center, left side, prompt font and whatever, you can give here, or simply what you need to do, go to the using design. Okay, just add your that title and your menu, then go to the website. Okay, then your first page will be ready like this. Okay, you can go click here, edit. You can add change your header name, content, menu, pricing, product. Okay, and here page content you can edit from here. Okay, there is only section you can edit only content. You can't change the font size and all. Okay, if you increase the font size, it will be increased for all, you can see. Okay, so I suggest you just add your that your title and that hamburger menu, and then you can start to design your own from here. Okay, you can add image from here like this. Okay, you can add content from here if you want to add. Okay, then you can design the rest your the website. Then you can add your page, multiple page here. Go to the preview. Now you can see your website like this. Okay, this is your pages. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.